Tonight is Sunday, and for dinner we are having black bean soup over brown jasmine rice, a salad, and cornbread muffins. It's Monday, and tonight for dinner we are having pulled pork, and I did it in the crock pot, and I have it on a whole wheat bun, and I have some coleslaw on there. And we are having baked beans, and I had some macaroni and cheese left over from the other night, and I also have some coleslaw on my plate. It's Tuesday, and tonight for dinner we are having some gorgonzola gnocchi, and that's from Trader Joe's, and a salad and garlic bread. Tonight is Wednesday, and tonight for dinner we are having Monterey chicken. It has barbecue sauce, tomatoes, green chilies, bacon, scallions, and Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese on it. Roasted potatoes, and I roasted them in some olive oil, salt, pepper, cumin, and smoked paprika. And we're having green beans. It's Saturday, and tonight for dinner we are having London broil, baked potatoes, and salad.